This is example 6 for lab 7. We have the following graph and we want to figure out the domain and range of the function that's in the graph. Our domain is going to be our x values and our range is going to be our y values. If we look at our x values, negative infinity to infinity, since this line goes for forever, we know that even if it doesn't show on the graph, for example, at negative 5, it'll eventually touch the line. For example, we'll keep going. It'll eventually touch the line. And that's for every value that's negative, it'll eventually touch this line. And for every value that's positive, it'll eventually go and touch this line. And obviously at 1 it touches the line, and at 0 it touches the line. So our domain is all real numbers, or an interval notation. That's negative infinity to infinity. Now for our range, we're going to look at our y values. So going from bottom to top, we're going to draw horizontal lines. It will touch the line here. We know that this line will continue on forever, so for every y value down here, it'll eventually touch the line. Same for every y value up here, it'll eventually touch the line. And if we go all the way up here, it'll eventually touch the line. So our range is also all real numbers, or an interval notation. That's negative infinity to infinity.